Hey YouTube, it's me Lexi back again with another video, guys. So my last video finished, so I have to do another video, and I probably have to do more videos. So yeah, because I'm barely on my 5th slime and I have 20. So let's get started onto the last slime that I showed you guys. So let's go. So
Going pretty quick, but
this one is basically sky blue. Sky blue is very fun. Bubbly.
Friday I am going to be vlogging because I'm going somewhere very fun. Right, Alexa, we're vlogging on Friday because we're going somewhere really fun.
No, you can't vlog because YouTube has to have Wi-Fi. Unless that place has Wi-Fi, which I doubt.
It might work. So I'm going to take you to see this.
So,
and if it doesn't, then I'm sorry.
This is sky blue, guys. Sky blue is very fun to play with. It's one of those like fun type slimes.
My favorite one.
I have my Tide legit right next to me, so in case I need to activate any of my slimes. So, say bye to sky blue. Like I said on my last video, comment down below if you want any tutorials for my slimes. That was my 5th slime. Let's get on to lemon swirl.
Same. Another tutorial for any slime.
This is lemon swirl. Lemon swirl is like one of my faves.
You could say the color.
This is a jiggly slime. It's not like any of those normal slimes. I called it lemon swirl for some reason, because it looks like a lemon, and basically because it does perfect swirls. Now, it's not just because I got it from like those famous people that do slimes. No, guys, I don't do that. I just basically think in my mind and, you know, think of games. I mean names. Not games. Okay, so, and make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And turn on your post notification bell as well. And then down below you can comment whatever videos you would want me to do. And I will probably do it for you. And like I said, tutorials are awesome. Just comment down below what number. I am on the 6th slime. This is the 6th. Guys, I'm going to make another lemon swirl. I will hopefully probably do it for you. So now some ASMR.
I'm on the 10th slime, so if you want to do this one, this first, second.
And at the end, I'll show you guys all my slimes.
Second, third, fourth, fifth, seventh, or 8th,
So that was lemon swirl, guys. Hope you like lemon swirl.
14. So
okay. Next slime. Next slime is not that name. I don't have a lot of names for them, but this one's this one. Another nice blue. I don't know why, but I love making blue slimes. They're super fun, and I will probably be giving away some slimes. Not worldwide, sorry guys. Only like to cousins or friends. So, yeah.
Never mind. 1 through 15.
That'll probably be coming soon. Since I have my cousin, she loves slime as well.
Same.
So I'll probably be giving some of her these slimes. This is a nice one.
I already gave you some, but I'm gonna give you one.
Next slime, guys.
This is butter slime. I made it with Model Magic Clay.
Okay, this one is Flawless. I love Flawless. She's one of my favorite Model Magic Clay slimes. Now, like, if you ever like come,
and this one's ready.
This is like the most ever best feeling of butter slime. You could legit die just like feeling this awesome, beautiful texture and how it spreads and stuff. And the swirls, like, they're so awesome. So I'm going to give you a swirl, guys, and it's very true. So let's get into the swirl. Okay, So I'm making a swirl, guys. This one's very stretchy. Added a lot of different type of lotion. It made it super duper awesome. If you guys see, just look at that beautifulness of swirls. You see that, guys? It's so beautiful. Watch this. That was a little cookie swirl. I love this one so much, guys. But Flawless is like one of my favorite ever Modern Magic Clay ones. And I have another butter slime, but it's not made out of Modern Magic Clay. It's made out of cornstarch. Okay. Next one is this one. Has a little bit of flown beads. This one's huge, and I love this one. It's nice and what do I call it? Camera looks like a blue. It's not blue at all. It's like a gray with a hint of purple. It's very weird.
I did not show you something.
I don't know why my camera is showing it blue, but it's not blue at all, guys. Not close to blue. So weird.
My camera showing it blue is also, but it's not blue, it's white.
Whatever. I probably need to get good quality. Oh, back here it looks like it's gray now.
You need time. Yep, time.
So we're on 6. Oh, Jesse!
You didn't close it right.
Well, clean up everything and put it away.
You were supposed to close it.
It was
You
closed.
guys are just sitting there instead of standing up and grabbing something to clean it. Jasleen, stand up and grab something. You're just staring.
So?
Jesse, that was like me.
You didn't close.
Yes, I did. You can tell me what I did and what I didn't. That was a waste of my time. It's already in the carpet, so.
So you need to close it next time.
I did. So
why was it open?
it wasn't.
So how did